Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're going on with the Gullwing. Yes, the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing. And I've got some big parts this time. The first part you can see right there, and I've got another part right there, massive, and I've got some parts from previous stages. So let's get straight on to this. I've got the computer of the laptop at the ready, and we're starting with 54, stage 54. We need that one. And we need these two, and we're going to be really careful putting those in, because there are, okay, top part is a little bit longer, so we're going to push that in first, and that's neatly into those points right there and right there. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Remember, top ones first, and then pushing from below up. That's one, and that's two, very nicely in. And that's stage 54 done, because there's nothing else to do in that stage. In 55s we have the rear window, which I have right here, and we need to screw that in. That's why we have some CM screws with it. So we turn it around, we push it onto that position there, right, like so, and then we turn it around, and we're going to put it upside down, but I do need a cloth for that, particularly especially for Hans. All right, who is Hans, you're asking? Well, Hans knows who I mean. He watches my videos. He's a very good friend of mine from a long time ago, and still is. Now, with these kind of things, careful with screwing that in, because that's plastic, and you don't want that to break and get yourself a large, I don't know how you call it in English, but that one's good. This one can use a few more clicks. That's good. What I usually do is a wobble check. That's what you saw me do there. That should be loose a bit, but that's all right. So 1, 2, 3 windows in. We've done that. We're going to 56, which is the main body shell, which is really nice and big. So I'm going to put that there. We're going to put those together, but let me get that out. There you go. Very nicely painted and big. A few screws. Okay. Okay, we put the front window in first, which was from stage 53. I think I need to put a little bit of tape on that to keep that in. Then we're going to turn it around carefully. That's what I mean. Turn it around carefully. And we're going to put 6 CMs in. These. Sorry, microphone was... Why? I had it in so nicely. Now I need to loosen it again, because the top is come loose. I need to do it right here, guys. I'll be back. Okay, I'll show you in a moment what to do, because it's not super neat, but it works. All right. So what I did, I pushed that inward so that one comes into the position it should go into. Now we need to get those two in as well. I think I can lay it down on the roof. Let's do the other side as well. I need to take it out here, guys. I can put more force on it. And this one has more grip. And that is, if I look from the top, pretty darn neat. That is neat. That is neat. It's all neat. Wow, guys, that is a proper job by Agora Models or whomever designed this frame. I needed some sustenance. We're going to the front because we're going to put the grill on. The well-known grill. Let's see. Okay, we're taking the outer screw out, otherwise I can't screw that GP that I have in. So we're taking them out and we're getting the GPs out and we're putting it on like so, and we're screwing in from the other side. Let's see if we can do that. I do think it's the easiest to do it from the other side again. That I do want to keep that roof there. Oh, okay. And this one. I had to put my screwdriver in there because there was a lot of either paint or metal from the paint from casting and more metal from metal from casting or paint from painting. That's in with two of those great screws, and there you go. So let's put that down and see what we do next, because I think we're putting on the bumper. We are, which we have right here. I have to push it through all the way. There's that little hook there. And now let's see what we do. 2 PMs. And we do want to put oil on that. And I'm going to use this one to hammer it down, but I'm going to stand up so I can put some more force on it. That's the first one. I'm going to keep standing. Let's in properly put that back and see what we do next, because that is what we have at the moment. That's it. Wow. Okay, let's put it right there. Put you all away a bit so you can see the car mostly. This is it. Really nicely done. That's all we do on this one for this stage. Can I put this away? I don't think I can. I haven't got enough space for this, so I might put it back in the box and put that away in somewhere. So, but this is it. We put these in on the other side as well, and we put those two on. Oh, and I forgot, that and that is put together as well. Thank you very much for joining me again and building this, well, a little bit of this car, but it's a very nice part of it, and it comes together really nicely here. I'm really happy with that. I didn't think it would, looking from the from underneath, but it's worked. It's really worked, and I'm really happy with it. I'm going to put it away somewhere safely, because it's all full up there. I can maybe put it behind the car there. So I really hope that you will join me next time. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more on this car or any other cars. I've got some beautiful other things, as you can see right there. Check out my channel and become a member. It's really nice to have seen you here. But thank you, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.